Uh-oh. There goes Tabor going pee. You want me to wait for you?
No, you go ahead.
You sure your board's just sitting here?
Huh?
Your board's just sitting here.
All right.
All right. Oh, bad idea. My binding popped off. My binding popped off.
Oh shit!
Right, I got lucky. He's peeing.
Look at that, man. It's fucking awful. Look at all the kids and shit.
Oh, that's not good.
Did it just pop out or?
Yeah, I guess it just popped out the back. I went to turn and it wasn't happening.